Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something unique, compact, and surprisingly clever at the brand new 2025 Citroen Ami. If you've ever thought city driving was stressful, or that parking is a nightmare, the Ami is here to change your mind. Now, at first glance, the Ami doesn't even look like a typical car, and that's by design. It's ultra compact, fully electric, and made for the urban environment. With a length of just 2.41 meters, it's shorter than most cars on the market today, which means squeezing into tight city spaces is easier than ever. And yes, it can actually turn round in tight alleyways with a turning circle of just 7.2 meters, pretty impressive for a vehicle with doors. One of the most standout things about the Ami is its bold, symmetrical design. Both the front and rear are almost identical, giving it a playful, futuristic look. The doors open in opposite directions as the driver's door is rear-hinged, while the passenger's door opens normally. It's quirky, but also practical, as it simplifies the manufacturing process and gives it a unique charm. This little F is powered by a modest 6 kilowatt electric motor, which gives it a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour or about 28 miles per hour. Now, that might not sound fast, but the Ami isn't built for speed. It's made for short commutes, city errands, and first-time drivers. In fact, in some countries, you can drive it without a full license, just a scooter or moped license is enough. The 2025 version brings some subtle but useful updates. Citroen has refined the body panels with new color options and slightly improved aerodynamics. The standard palette now includes vibrant colors like pop blue and techno green, with accent packs you can swap to personalize your ride. It's minimal but stylish as statement car for city dwellers who want to be both practical and eco-friendly. Battery life is where the Ami really shines for its size. It comes with a 5.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery that offers a range of around 75 kilometers or roughly 47 miles on a full charge. That's more than enough for a few days of inner-city travel. And the best part? You don't need special charging equipment. Just plug it into a standard household socket, and in about 3 hours, it's ready to go. Another cool feature is how lightweight the car is. It weighs just 485 kilograms, or about 1,070 pounds, less than a quarter of most regular cars. This contributes to its efficiency and makes it a great choice for short-distance urban mobility. It's agile, light on the roads, and easy to maneuver even for less experienced drivers. Safety-wise, Citroen keeps things basic but adequate. The Ami comes with a strong steel frame, basic lighting systems, and a wide field of visibility, thanks to its boxy shape and large windows. While it doesn't come with advanced crash prevention tech, it doesn't really need it at the low speeds it's meant to operate at. Another thing that's really cool is the Ami's appeal to younger generations and people who've never owned a car before. In some European countries, 14-year-olds can legally drive it. It's like a perfect transition vehicle between a bicycle and a real car, safer, more comfortable, and great for short commutes or student life. In 2025, Citroen is also leaning further into the car-sharing and subscription model for the Ami. You don't have to buy one outright. You can subscribe monthly or even rent it by the minute in certain cities. That flexibility makes the Ami not just a car, but a mobility solution for the future. Overall, the 2025 Citroen Ami continues to stand in a category of its own. It's not a car in the traditional sense, but for short city hops, students, or anyone looking for a low-cost, zero-emissions ride, it's a smart, stylish, and fun alternative. It's proof that good things really do come in small packages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Citroen Ami, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, would you drive this little F through your city?